So have you ever had a tire that's not beading properly? You got some air bubbles coming out of that tire after you get them mounted. Well, I'm going to show you a trick that I learned years ago with a certain product that will help rectify this without having to buy a new tire. So check this out. So what I have here is a bead breaker from Harbor Freight, just one of those cheapies that they got. I added some towels here at the bottom just so it doesn't scrape this brand new powder coated wheel up, and I'm gonna bust that loose. Okay, kind of got a ghetto valve stem remover tool, but it is one. You can pick up valve stem removable tools from Harbor Freight, Walmart, Amazon, even your local auto parts store should have those. So I kind of got the bead broke a little bit on here. So it's probably not going to take too much more effort on my end. And there she goes. I should have. All right, so what we have is a product called Extra Seal Bead Sealer. And this is like a black liquid. You can see there. And this works wonders. So what you do is simply just put this all the way around the bead. You can even just put it on the spot where it's leaking, but I like to do the entire bead. You can pick this up. I got this on Amazon for like less than 20 bucks, I believe, and it's 32 ounces. I'm gonna overuse it, but you don't need to put that much. I do, just so I don't have to tear this thing back down. So let's do that real quick. So it applies just like rubber cement. Don't try to drip it everywhere. Oh. And then gonna bring it around town on the bead. Make sure you wipe the wheel off before you inflate the tire. This stuff does leave some marks once it dries. So I'm just applying it on the bead itself. And then what you want to do once you get everything covered, you don't want it to dry right away, so you'll want to get it over to your compressor and get the tire pumped up. So that's what we're going to do now. All right, before you pump it up, go ahead and put the valve stem back in. Valve stem core, I mean. Get nice and snug in there. All right, here we go. Got the simple green. Try to get this thing to get some suds going, like it was before. Look at that. And guys, just so you know, I did this within 5 minutes or less. So that stuff, like I said, does seal up really fast. But look at that. That is a miracle cure for a leaky bead on a standard wheel. If you got bead locks leaking, that might be another issue. Bead lock ring could be warped or whatever, but man, this stuff has always worked good for me. It was a lifesaver when customers would bring in old tires at the Honda shop I used to work at when I was a teenager. But there you go. Extra Seal works every time.